Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your VPN subscription and having your credentials handy. This avoids interruptions when routing traffic. Once done, install or update the VPN Editing App and grant only the permissions it needs, network and storage, so the editor can fetch and save files. Make sure to open your project and immediately create a backup copy with a clear name, because you'll revert if an edit or routing test goes wrong. Next, connect the VPN profile you'll use for editing. You now configure the VPN profile. Choose split tunnel for selective routing versus full tunnel when all traffic must go through the VPN. Then map remote project paths into your local workspace so the editor reads and writes without extra copying. Make sure autosave is set to a frequent interval, 1 to 5 minutes, to protect work during connection hiccups. While editing, enable proxy or transcoding options to lower bandwidth. This speeds real-time edits and prevents syncing conflicts. You finalize by saving and syncing edits to the remote server over the VPN, using checksum or versioning to confirm integrity. Once synced, disconnect and reconnect the VPN to test that files remain intact and accessible. This validates both the editor and network. If something fails, first clear the app cache and restart the application, because transient state often causes sync errors. If that doesn't fix it, verify credentials and check server latency. High ping can corrupt transfers, so
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.